Starting a business? Exciting, right? But what about HR? If you're not careful, it can turn into a nightmare. Nobody wants that. So watch this video to learn the biggest HR challenges startups face and how to solve them fast. Welcome back to askhrhubplus, your go-to channel for all things HR and workplace management. I'm Edward Obi, Director of HRHubPlus, and today we're diving into one of the biggest hurdles for startups: HR challenges. Let's get straight into it. First up, onboarding. You've hired a new team member and excitement's in the air, but without a solid onboarding plan, they're lost, unsure of their role, and you're stuck answering the same questions. Structure your onboarding early to avoid the confusion. Next, managing your team. Sooner or later, you'll face an employee dispute, whether it's performance issues or conflict between team members. With no clear policies, things can escalate. Set up solid procedures to manage conflicts before they spiral. Then there's organization. HR can be overwhelming without the right systems. Managing requests, tracking performance, handling feedback, it's easy to drop the ball. Simplify your processes with effective HR tools and focus on growing your business. Finally, legal compliance. You think everything's fine, then boom, you've got hit with a compliance issue. Stay on top of contracts and regulations to avoid costly mistakes. HR doesn't have to be hard. With the right approach, you can turn these common headaches into smooth processes. Looking for a solution? Stick around for a flexible 3-month HR retainer designed to help startups with onboarding, people management, and compliance without the long-term commitment. Thanks for watching Ask HRHubPlus. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. See you next time.